1 Minute Luxembourgish Lesson 8.
Hello, it's Julie here from the Radiolingua Network and welcome to another lesson of 1 Minute Luxembourgish. In this lesson we're going to be learning to count from 1 to 10. I think the clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. I'm going to say the numbers slowly and pause in between each one. I'll say the English first and then the Luxembourgish. After each number you should repeat it, trying to make sure your pronunciation is as close as possible to mine. 1. 2. Zwee. 3. Dräi. 4. Véier. 5. Fënnef. 6. Sechs. 7. Siwen. 8. Aacht. 9. Néng. 10. Zéng. Let's try this again and I'll group the numbers together. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent stuff. This is, of course, lesson aacht. And can you work out what the next lesson will be? That's right, it's lesson néng. And we'll be asking, how are you? Next week. Thank you and goodbye. Adi, à merci.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.